going to show you how to make a piano app in MIT App Inventor. Let's start. New project, piano app. Piano app MIT. The screen is loaded. So let's start. I go to screen properties and change screen 1 to piano app. Okay. Now let's change the vertical into horizontal. Screen orientation, set landscape. Yes, it's turned. Now I go to layout, drag the horizontal arrangement. Now I am going to make the height fill parent. Yes. Now go to screen 1, center. I drag the button. Now for button 1 I am going to rename it as A note. So this is A. We will make it bold, then fill parent. Yes. Now again. Now let's go again. Button 1. Then drag it here and keep it there. For button 1, I am going to name as B. Here we also name as B. In the button 1 properties, we'll make bold, then height, we'll make it fill parent. Next again, we'll make this button as C. Rename C, then font bold, fill parent. Then next let's add horizontal arrangement. We'll give Bangalore color as black. Next, now when we click the piano, it should make a sound. So I go to media, drag the player. In the player, in the media, I upload file. I have already have the notes in the wave file. A, open. Next, again upload file, 3 files. B, okay. C, okay. Now the file is uploaded. So I go to blocks. Now in blocks, when we click the A, it should play a sound. So I go to A. When A click blocked, then I go to player. There is an option called player, set player dot source. I drag it and keep it here. Next, but how there are many sounds, how the computer will recognize which sound to play. So I go to text, drag the empty text box. So we should type this this word. What is the word? A note dot wave. blocked wave. Now let's go to player. There is an option called player start. I drag it and keep it here. Right click, duplicate. So I change it A to B and A note wave to B note wave. Duplicate. B note wave to C. Change here as C. Now we are done. Let's check. Now let's check it. I go to MIT in my phone, click on connect. Then I scan this code. Now it is scanned. It is loading. Test loaded. Now the sound is coming. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.